Welcome back واهلا وسهلا فيكم جميعا. No fear, Samir is here. So if you didn't watch this movie and this link, please go and watch it because we talked about it in the present verb and we're gonna talk about the past tense. So let's see the verbs that has vowel letters, which is we called it Yalla Arabi verbs. What is the changes with it if it has vowel letters in the past? Let's see. Now, let's start with بجيب. If you remember, it was I bring, right? So بجيب. So بجيب in the past, or the verbs that has vowel letters, we delete the imprefix, we delete the vowel letter, and we add T. So it becomes جبت. أنا جبت. أنت جبت. So in the past, for I and you male, it's the same. It's literally the same. أنا جبت, أنت جبت, أنتي إي جبتي, برافو. أنتو جبتو. نحنا جبنا. You see the prefix, the suffix of the for we. نحنا جبنا. هو. This one, focus with me because for the E and the waw, it becomes A in the past. What do I mean? I mean جيب, it becomes جاب. We don't take off the vowel letter. The vowel letter E or O, it becomes A. جيب, جاب. For he, جابت. For هني جابوا. So for he جابت. For هني جابوا. Okay? So هلا for نام, let's try. نام. Okay, what do? We take off the imprefix, we take off the vowel letter, and we add T. So it becomes نمت. وانت same أنا. أنا نمت. أنت نمت. أنتي نمتي. أنتو نمتو. نحنا نمنا. هو نام. Why نام? Because we said if there is E and wow, it becomes A in the past for him. But how about if already A? Right? So it becomes the same. Just because he is the root. He in the past is the root. So nam, he slept. Nam. For he, you add T. Namat. For hinni, you add O. Namu. Tamam? Hinni, namu. So let's try now with the last verb, which is, we already explained about it. It's one of the most important verbs. بكون. So, بكون, I am, right? Let's try with it. Yeah. You try before me. We delete off, or we take off the imprefix and the vowel letter. And we add T. So, كنت. Bravo. كنت. أنت same. كنت. أنتي. كنتي. Bravo. So this is just to know I and you male is the same. أنا كنت أنت كنت. أنا شربت أنت شربت. أنا أكلت أنت أكلت. أنا نمت أنت نمت. أنتو كنتو. نحنا كنا. هو. This one it's important. Wow and E again becomes A. So delete the imprefix. The wow becomes A. كان. هي كانت. هني كانوا. So كنت, I was, you were. always in the past for I and you male the same. شربت أنا شربت أنت شربت أنا أكلت أنت أكلت أنا نمت أنت نمت. Okay? So I was أنا كنت أنت كنت he was كان. Why? Because we said إنه the wow and the a becomes a, right? So this is our class for today. We talked about the verbs has vowel letters in the past and the changes of it. And I will see you next session. If you have any class, please don't hesitate. We are here to learn and to make mistakes. It's okay. Don't worry. And I will see you guys next session. حبكم كتير.